Yesterday, the US stock market eventually halted its winning streak that had been going on for a few weeks in a row. The key stock indexes closed in the red for the simple reason that inflation surged again in October. Moreover, the actual CPI was stronger than expected. In practice, the US CPI logged the sharpest year-on-year increase in the last 30 years. This is sure to make a profound impact on major currencies and other financial instruments. Yesterday, the S&P 500 shed 0.35%. Today, futures on the S&P declined to 4,675. The index is expected to trade in a narrow corridor between 4,640 and 4,700, with the prospects of a retracement amid soaring consumer inflation. Notably, the small inflation score will be one argument on the US Fed to tighten monetary policy, including a rate hike ahead of schedule. When it comes to the greenback, its dynamic is unpredictable following the news release. The thing is that the higher-than-expected inflation increase might be the catalyst for either the greenback's rally or its slump. Currently, its index is trading higher at 94.25. The odds are that the market will allow the greenback to grow amid rampant inflation. Analysts do not rule out minor technical corrections of the US dollar index. The USD CAD pair escaped a trading range. The pair came under pressure from rising oil prices and sharply reversed downwards. Now the USD CAD pair is trading at near 1.2420. Experts admit it might decline towards the lower bottom of the corridor between 1.2380 and 1.2450. Today, the crypto market is trading with extreme volatility. In the midday, Bitcoin dropped to $64,000. This comes entirely as a result of profit taken by large investors. Later on, demand for crypto assets revived again, pushing Bitcoin towards $68,000. The crypto is likely to surpass this level. Investors are bullish about Bitcoin because in the next 7 days, the Bitcoin protocol will undergo a soft fork called Taproot. Most crypto exchanges welcomed this upgrade, which is certainly a newsworthy event for the crypto market, so the flagship cryptocurrency will have an excuse to approach the $70,000. And market participants are digesting the crucial report on the US inflation with the actual CPI higher than expected. Meanwhile, the US president and other policymakers have global problems high on the agenda. Joe Biden extended by 1 year the ban on US investments in China's companies that are owned or controlled by the Chinese military. Washington aims to bar the American capital from reinforcing the military power of the main US rival. Besides, the Federal Reserve warned that cracks in China's property market entail risks to the US economy. Another large Chinese developer, Kaiser, is also facing a challenge. As China is the second largest global economy, a looming crisis in China's real estate market will pose risks for the US financial system. Tomorrow, US trading floors will be closed on the occasion of the national holiday Veterans Day. So our next US trade video will be released on Friday. Don't miss it.